Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Grace, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be making slime. So I have my bowl. I'm gonna make slime. I have this huge stick. So there's mixing marks all in here. You can't really see it. Can't really, no, you can't. Oh yeah, all over here. Okay. I think I heard something. Oh, it's just the dots. Alright, so I am going to prank Austin. She's my little sister. If you guys are new here, I'm Reese, and my sister's Austin, and I am going to prank her with doggies. I might eat some. I'm gonna go grab them. She's probably upstairs in her room. Alright. Let me just... That's hot. So let's start making slime. Austin, stop! Please! Okay. Zombie, move. Stop, Austin! Okay, just stop. Let's make glue. Hey! Like this video if you like slime. That's right. Like it if you like slime. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. Hey, no, zombie, these are Takis. Oh gosh, I got slime on my finger. Okay. I don't even think I'm supposed to mix this in there, but... No, it's okay. Actually, yeah, I kind of... What? Hey, zombie! So... You probably don't know. But... Austin hates Takis. I love them. So good. Oh, zombie. Someone made a boo barf. Okay. Wait. Why am I eating the Takis? I'm gonna go put this away. Hey guys. Okay. Let me mix in my food dye. I'll be right. Come it does. I'm back. Hold on, I'll be right back again. Austin, turn down your phone. I can hear it all the way from down here. Just go. Gosh, that's something that I was wrong. Okay. So, let's mix some. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. I think I added too much soap. It's like all soap at the top. It's okay. I can add more. What? You're walking in what? In the room where you're making slime. Okay, you can come in. No. Shoot. I was sneaking on you. What? You were sneaking on me? Okay, then what did I say I was going to do? You said you're going to slime. No. Fine, I said that, but what else did I say? This is gonna be like, hi. Hi. I'm gonna miss this slime. No, you're not. There's no way. No, there's not. No way ever. You guys probably don't know because this is a new channel, but I am like really good at making slime. And, well, not really good. I'm just good for a little kid. I'm 8, almost 9. I'm turning 9 in July 15th. That's right, it's close to July 4th-ish. I have like a whole stack of slime. Like a whole stack of slime in my room. Like my room is full. I can't show you because that will be my next video for my house have a house tour. You guys just gotta comment in them. I wanna, can you do a house tour? Whatever you guys comment, I can do a 3 a.m. challenge. I can do anything that you comment. Not anything. Like, I could probably even we could go to the park. I could show you the park. I can give you a backyard tour. I could give you a room tour. I could give you my sister's room tour. I could give you my parents' room tour. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? Oh, looks like I'm going out with my parents. You're watching them, Austin. I love them. I love their merch too. I also love the Ace family. I don't know what they're called. Amira. I like her brother's merch. It's kind of cute. It's like a little cat and spaghetti. There's a girl named Amira. Wait, who's Carrie? Carrie. Ow, I just poked myself. Austin, am I the best at making slime to you? No. Rude.
Yes, you are good at making slime.
Thank you.
You're good.
Thank you. I'm just kidding. I don't really care if she thinks I'm bad.
Who's good at making slime? Me or not?
Not you. Nothing. I'm just kidding. I didn't say anything. Someone still holds me. I know, it looks blue. That's crazy. That is crazy. No. I'm done. Bye. Just kidding. It's blue in here.
Can you burp?
Me? I can burp. It sounded fake, but it was real.
Can you shake your butt?
What? Can I shake my... What?
When you're like, who said that?
You.
When you're like, I'm...
Wait, are you trying to be the boy?
Yeah. Can your butt?
You're disgusting, Austin. I'm not gonna shake my
Shake your
butt.
butt.
What?
Shake your butt.
What? What'd you say? What? What?
Not seeing that.
What? What'd you say? I got food. I don't know. Right now, it doesn't look like I'm the best at making slime. You're gonna be what? You're gonna what? Tell me. What'd you say, Austin? You said something. I heard her.
Can you shake your butt?
What?
Okay.
Yeah, stop being nasty. Here's my slime. It's not really sticky. It looks like it, but it's not. It can come off of my hands easy enough. Easy enough. Look like I can just do that. That, and then boom. It's up. I'm not really all clear. I love this slime. It's like one of the best slimes I've made. First, I'm not really good at making slime, but I wanted to make like a really good slime because I said I was like really good at making slime. Well, I am really good at making slime, but I'm not that good. So I wanted to make you guys think I was really good. And I actually made a pretty good slime. It's like really good. It's like thick. I love these slimes that I make. I probably have like Boo and Zombie are my cats. People don't believe me that my cat's name is Zombie, but it's Zombie. When have I ever called her something else? I was probably like Zom or Zom, Zom. I just said that. Or Zom. No, I've never called her Zom. I've never called her Zom either. I only called her Zombie. And not a lot of people think my cat's name is Abu either. It's Abu. Like Abu the little monkey's name in Aladdin. I think I'll give this a little bit more activity. But a little bit too much. I just love to do this thing. Oh my gosh, this is like the best slime I've actually ever made. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do that one. Stretching comments. I have to admit, I'm going to be playing with this all day long. I've had strep throat, and finally, I'm lucky enough, it just stopped today. And I took my medicine. It's like really, really gross. So I had 2 medicines. One of them was for the flu, just in case I had the flu. I almost just fell down on my hoverboard. That would have been bad. And I would have died. Maybe. Just a little. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna activate it. You see that? Just like boop. That's so annoying. I have to overactivate my slime a little bit, because tomorrow it's gonna be Tomorrow it's gonna be stickier, so I have to overactivate it. I think I added a bit too much. Okay. It's like old grandma wrinkles. I think I just ruined my slime. Okay, no more activator. Okay, this turned out to be, I was trying to prank Austin, but she was spying on me. At first I didn't actually think she was upstairs, but then the pitch that she made like a low pitch. And I was like, I'm upstairs. I was like something, and I thought she was upstairs, but then she was like, I'm coming out, and I was like, she's like, coming out where? Whoa. No. Oh gosh, I almost just ran over his bar. I'm just gonna go over there. Okay. Let's see if I can make a bubble. Oh my gosh, this would have been the greatest. Oh, boo! No. No. Uh-oh. I may or may not have just made a mess. I'm just gonna clean that up right now. Gosh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? But that would have been a really good time to make a beat bubble. Got to do. Okay, I got it. I'm not gonna use my hook anymore. It looked purple a second ago. Because it was purple. Because I used a purple food dye. You guys saw me. You guys saw me. Oh gosh, I have a nice work. Okay, I'm gonna try to get all the slime off my hands. I just got like so much slime on my hand just now. Oh, it's all of this one. Alright, guys. So, maybe, right now, I will say goodbye. No, I'll say goodbye right now, because this has been 25 minutes and 20 and 30 seconds, so, peace. In my next video, I'm going to try to prank Austin. Bye, I love you.